أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على النبي الكريم. Brothers and sisters in Islam, here we are to continue the lesson 4 from the book Arabic Yourself. So try to get your copy actually by contacting us via 080329011. Don't forget to continue sharing and liking and subscribing to our channel so that you help us do more. So the next thing is this is the part B of what we did about the football. You can watch the previous lesson in order to help you understand more. So here is a tadrib exercise. كون جملا, that is make or construct some sentences واكتبها كما صيغت في الصف الأول, and write them as they are constructed in the first row. So look at this. Mu'ayyid is the supporter, the male mu'ayyid, the male supporter. Mu'ayyida, that is mu'ayyida, the female supporter. So we can easily say huwa mu'ayyid, he's a he supporter. Here mu'ayyida, she is the she supporter, that is she is supporter and he is supporter in terms of supporting the team. So the next thing is hal huwa. You are trying to learn how to ask questions. Hal huwa mu'ayyid, is he a supporter? The answer should be na'am, yes, huwa mu'ayyid, he is a supporter. Na'am huwa mu'ayyid, yes, he is a supporter. So for the female is hal hiya mu'ayyida, is she a supporter? Hal hiya mu'ayyida, is she a supporter? So the next, which will be the answer, is na'am, yes, hiya mu'ayyida, she is a supporter. Hiya mu'ayyida, she is a supporter. So this is how to go about this exercise. Try to fill in the blanks. Let me quickly translate this word so that you will remember. Mushahid is the viewer, the one that is watching, that's male. Mushahida is the female viewer or watch, somebody that is watching. So mudarrib is the trainer or coach or trainer, somebody that trains you or coach you, the male. Mudarriba is the female trainer. La'ib is the male player. La'iba is the female player. So Haris is the goalkeeper, that is male. Harisa is the female goalkeeper. And it can be security also, okay? So Mudafi is the defender, male defender. Mudafi'a, that is the female defender. Munafis, the contender or the opponent, that is the male. Munafisa, the female contender or opponent. So Muntasir is the victor, the male. Muntasira, this is the victress, if we can have that. So that's it. So the next exercise is to what? استخدم الكلمات الآتية. Use the following words. وكون 10 جمل تحتها, that is make 10 sentences below it. What you are going to use is this word fi, which is in from the previous lessons. Ala is on or upon. Al-Maidan is the field, okay, playground. Al-Marma is the goalpost. Al-Ardiya is the floor. Al-Isti'dad is the preparation for match, for anything. As-Sa'at al-Khamisa, that is 5 o'clock, okay? So look at the way you are going to construct the sentences. Hadaf is a goal. So al-hadafu fil marma, the goal is in the post. That is, the goal is in the goal post. The female word, which is feminine, is the mubara. Mubara is the march. So al-mubaratu fil maidan, that is, the marches are in the field, okay? So you can see the la'ib, which is the player, male player. Kura is the ball. Marma is the goalpost, as you can refer to the other video that we did all the translations are there. So what you have to learn, as the tradition is to give you the exercise, then we move into the next lesson. So you read, and the next thing is the exercise coming. So you can see here al-hiwar, which is the dialogue between two persons, and the first person said, Hal shahadt al-qura, for the male, have you watched the match? Then he answered, Ma fariquk, what's your team? Ma fariquk, what is your team? Ma is what? Fariquk, your team. So he said, Manchester. Manchester. In Arabic, they say Manchester. So it's Manchester. Manchester. Ash-Shaytan al-Ahmar, the Red Devils. That's their nickname, the Red Devils. So the guy said, A'udhu billah, that is, I seek protection from Allah. That is from the Red Devils. La ushahid al-qura, I don't watch footballs. La, I ushahid, I don't watch qura, football. So he said, Hatta al-ustadi yushahid al-qura, even the ustaz is watching football. That is, even the ustaz does watch football. So ma hiya natija, ma is what is here natija, what is the result? He wants to ask the score. So he said, Huzimna al-bariha, we were defeated al-bariha yesterday. Huzimna, we were defeated al-bariha, that is yesterday. So he said, Kam hadafan sujjila diddakum, Kam hadafan, how many goals were scored against you? Diddakum, against you, scored sujjil. He said, Hadafan wahidan faqat, Hadafan wahidan faqat, just one goal, just one goal. Then he said, Hal harisul marma jayyid, is the goalkeeper jayyid, good? Hal harisul marma jayyid, is the goalkeeper good? Then he said, Innahu ghayru jayyid, he is not good. Innahu ghayru jayyid, he is not good. Hal tusalli inda al-mubarat, do you pray? Hal tusalli, do you pray? Inda al-mubarat, that is while the match is going on. Hal tusalli inda al-mubarat, do you pray when the match is going on? Then he answered, Ahyanan, ahyanan, that is sometimes. So he said, Ittaqillah, ya sadiqi, hey, be cautious of Allah, my friend. That is, fear Allah, not to do that. That's the wrong thing. So this is the end of this part B of the unit 4. So try not to forget to like, share, and subscribe. May Allah bless you. See you in the next lesson.